Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Good morning everyone and welcome to our annual Sports Day event.
Today, myself Ritvik Dutt and my friend Yugraj Togi from class 9A will be competing in a challenge that we chose to see who is the better athlete.
So without wasting any further time, let's get right into it. So our first challenge will be whoever's ball goes higher wins the challenge.
I won! Let's go.
Haha, but I'm feeling hungry now. Can you get me something?
Okay, I'll just cut you up an orange.
Wow, how did you do that? Why didn't the orange stop like the pencil?
What? No. Do you not know about inertia?
No, what is inertia?
Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist a change in its state of motion, rest or direction.
Oh, can you explain me with some examples?
Sure. As you saw, if I stopped the kadai from moving immediately, the ball kept on moving for some time. This was because of inertia. Even though I stopped the kadai immediately, the ball was resisting a change in its state of motion and kept moving for a little bit of a longer time. So, can you find some more examples of inertia from our competition that we just had?
Yes, I think when we put the ball on top of the other ball, when this ball stopped, the other ball went up.
Yes, this is because of inertia by mass. Do you know what is inertia by mass?
No, can you explain?
Here we have an orange and a ball. I had applied approximately the same force on both of these things. But as the orange has more mass and the tennis ball has less mass, the tennis ball moved more distance than the orange. This is because an object with more mass has more inertia than an object with less mass. So, the object with more mass resisted a longer change than this ball.
Thank you.
Thank you.